Welcome to the journey towards achieving the coveted Korean glass skin, a skin so clear and luminous that it resembles a sheet of glass. In the world of skincare, few trends have garnered as much attention and admiration as Korean glass skin. This beauty phenomenon, which originates from South Korea, has taken the globe by storm, and for good reason. It's not just a fleeting trend, but a testament to the power of a diligent skincare routine. Korean glass skin is characterized by its almost translucent, dewy glow that makes the skin appear as smooth and flawless as a pane of glass. It's all about skin that's so healthy, hydrated, and nourished, it radiates from within. Think of it as the ultimate symbol of skin health, a testament to a well-nourished, well-cared-for complexion. But achieving this level of radiance isn't about quick fixes or instant results. It's a journey of understanding your skin, treating it with respect, and nourishing it with the right ingredients. It's about the commitment to a multi-step skincare routine that may seem extensive, but the results are nothing short of transformative. This routine, which we'll be delving into today, is thorough and detailed, but don't let that intimidate you. Each step is designed with a specific purpose, working towards the ultimate goal of glass skin. And the best part? This routine is not just about surface-level beauty. It's about promoting overall skin health, tackling skin concerns, and boosting your skin's natural resilience. It's about treating your skin as the ultimate canvas, one that deserves your utmost care and attention. But before that, I have a small favor to ask. If you find this content helpful and want to see more, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. This way, you won't miss out on any of our future skincare tips and tricks. So are you ready to embark on this transformative journey towards Korean glass skin? Are you ready to give your skin the love and care it deserves? Let's dive into the step-by-step routine. The first step to achieving glass skin begins with a thorough cleanse, not once, but twice. This double cleanse method is a game changer. You start with an oil-based cleanser. Now don't let the word oil scare you. This is not your kitchen's cooking oil. It's a specially formulated product that effortlessly melts away the day's grime and makeup. It's like a magnet for impurities, lifting them from your skin. Next, you move on to a water-based cleanser. This provides an even deeper cleanse, getting down into your pores to wash away any remaining dirt and oil. Look for a low pH cleanser. It won't irritate or strip your skin's natural barrier. This double cleansing method ensures your skin is thoroughly clean, prepping it for the next steps in your routine. Remember, a clean canvas is key to achieving that coveted glass skin. Double cleansing ensures a clean canvas for the rest of your skincare routine. Next, say goodbye to dead skin cells with a gentle exfoliator. Now this step is crucial for achieving that coveted glass skin. Exfoliation helps to slough off dead skin cells, unveiling the fresh, radiant skin underneath. It also clears the way for the rest of your skincare products to penetrate deeply and work their magic more effectively. But here's the catch. Not all exfoliators are created equal. If your skin tends to be sensitive or dry, consider a chemical exfoliator with gentle acids like lactic or mandelic acid. These work by loosening the bonds between skin cells, allowing them to shed more easily. On the other hand, if your skin is more resilient and a bit on the oily side, a physical exfoliator with fine particles might be your best bet. This type of exfoliator provides a manual scrubbing action to lift and remove dead skin cells. No matter your choice, remember to exfoliate only once or twice a week to avoid overstripping your skin. Remember, exfoliation is key to reveal fresh, new skin. Now, it's time to balance and hydrate your skin with a toner. You might be wondering, what's the big deal about a toner? Well, toners have come a long way from their alcohol-laden predecessors. Modern toners are all about hydration and maintaining your skin's pH balance. They act as a preparatory step, creating a clean canvas for the rest of your skincare routine. So how do you apply a toner? Simple. After cleansing, pat your skin dry. Then pour a small amount of toner onto a cotton pad. Gently sweep it across your face, paying particular attention to the T-zone. This is usually the oiliest part of the face that can benefit from the extra cleansing and balancing that a toner provides. Remember, the key is to choose a toner that's right for your skin type. Those with dry skin may want to opt for a hydrating toner, while those with oily or acne-prone skin might prefer a toner with salicylic acid. A good toner balances and preps your skin for the next steps. Let's indulge your skin with the ultimate hydration boost, a sheet mask. Sheet masks are a popular staple in the Korean skincare regimen, and for good reason. These little packets of goodness are soaked in serums and essences, providing instant hydration and nourishment to your skin. They're like a quick spa treatment you can enjoy right at home. Unfolding the sheet mask from its packaging, you'll notice it's drenched in a cocktail of skin-loving ingredients. Its main goal is to make your skin plump, radiant, and super hydrated. To use a sheet mask effectively, start with clean, toned skin. Carefully unfold the mask and apply it to your face, aligning the holes with your eyes, nose, and mouth. Pat it gently to ensure it sticks to your skin and that there are no air bubbles. What's great about sheet masks is that you can sit back and relax while it works its magic. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, but not longer. You don't want the mask to start drying on your face, as it can pull moisture out of your skin. Once you remove the mask, don't rinse. The leftover essence on your skin is full of beneficial ingredients, so don't let it go to waste. Gently massage it into your skin and let it fully absorb. A sheet mask is a perfect pampering session for your skin. It's more than just a skincare product. It's a self-care ritual, a moment of me time in your busy day. Next, treat your skin to an essence, the heart of Korean skincare. Often confused with toners or serums, essences are unique in their own right. They are lightweight and more fluid than serums, yet packed with concentrated hydrating, anti-aging, and complexion-enhancing ingredients. Their main role? To regenerate the skin, boost its cellular turnover, and thus pave the way for that coveted healthy glow. Now, let's talk application. Unlike with other skincare products, you don't rub an essence into your skin. Instead, you pat it in. Pour a few drops into your hand, then gently pat or press the essence into your skin. This patting technique enhances absorption and maximizes the benefits of the essence. So, what's the essence of the essence? It's all about hydration, rejuvenation, and cellular regeneration. When used consistently, an essence can revitalize your skin, leaving it plumper, brighter, and more youthful. An essence helps regenerate your skin, giving it that youthful glow. Now, let's target specific skin concerns with a serum. This is the moment we zoom in on the magic of serums. Serums are like the superheroes of skincare, swooping in to save the day with their concentrated formulas. They are designed to deliver high concentrations of specific active ingredients to the skin. There's a serum for nearly every skin concern, be it dryness, acne, fine lines, or dullness. To apply, you don't need a lot. A few drops are enough to cover the whole face. Warm it up between your fingers and gently pat it into your skin. Remember, it's not about rubbing it in, but allowing your skin to absorb it. What makes serums special is their ability to penetrate deeper into the skin layers, delivering powerful ingredients directly where they're needed most. So whether you're battling blemishes or seeking that youthful glow, there's a serum out there for you. A good serum can work wonders in addressing your skin concerns. Never skip moisturizer, it's essential for glass skin. This statement might sound cliché, but believe me, it holds a world of truth. Moisturizing is like offering your skin a refreshing drink of water, and who can say no to that? Now, there's a vast array of moisturizers out there, each designed to cater to a specific skin type. If you have oily skin, consider using a gel-based moisturizer. It gives your skin the hydration it needs without making it feel greasy. For those with dry skin, a cream-based moisturizer can be your best friend. It provides intense hydration and helps to combat dryness and flaking. And if you're blessed with normal or combination skin, a lotion-based moisturizer will do the trick. It balances hydration without making your skin feel too oily or too dry. Remember to apply your moisturizer in upward strokes, gently massaging it into your skin. This not only ensures better absorption but also stimulates blood circulation, giving your skin a healthy glow. Moisturizer locks in hydration and keeps your skin supple. So, don't forget to slather on some moisturizer to step closer to your glass skin goal. Let's give some tender love and care to the delicate under-eye area with an eye cream. This step is a game changer in your quest for that coveted Korean glass skin. The skin beneath our eyes is thin and fragile, making it more susceptible to signs of aging and damage. Eye creams are specifically formulated for this sensitive area. They're packed with ingredients that reduce puffiness, combat dark circles, and keep the skin supple and hydrated. It's all about maintaining that youthful, refreshed look. Applying the cream is an art in itself. It's about being gentle and patient. Use your ring finger as it applies the least pressure. Dab a small amount of the cream around the orbital bone, that's the bone around your eye socket, and lightly pat it in. Avoid rubbing or pulling the skin, as it can cause wrinkles. Remember, consistency is key. Make this a part of your daily routine, and you'll start noticing a significant difference. Eye cream helps keep your under-eye area hydrated and reduces signs of aging. Next, seal in all the goodness with a face oil. The key to achieving that dewy, translucent look of Korean glass skin is to ensure maximum hydration and protection. Enter face oil. This isn't just any ordinary step. Face oils are powerhouses of nutrition, packed with fatty acids and antioxidants. They act as a protective barrier, locking in the moisture and nutrients from your previous skincare steps. So, how do you apply it effectively? Warm a few drops of face oil between your palms, then gently press it onto your face and neck. Remember, we're pressing, not rubbing. This method ensures the oil penetrates your skin without disrupting the layers underneath. It's like the finishing touch to your masterpiece, the cherry on top of your skincare sundae. Whether it's a balmy night or a dry winter's day, face oil adjusts to your skin's needs, providing nourishment and a healthy, radiant shine. Face oil gives your skin an extra layer of protection and a healthy glow. Lastly, but most importantly, protect your skin with SPF during the day. No skincare regimen is complete without a layer of sunscreen, irrespective of the weather or the season. Sunscreen is not just about avoiding sunburn, it's a fundamental shield against harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and even skin cancer. A broad-spectrum SPF of at least 30 is recommended, protecting against both UVA and UVB rays. UVB rays burn the superficial layers of your skin while UVA rays penetrate deeper, causing skin aging and wrinkles. Now you may think, I'm indoors most of the time, do I still need sunscreen? The answer is a resounding yes. UVA rays can penetrate window glass and even the clouds on an overcast day. So, make sunscreen the final step in your morning skincare routine. Apply it generously on all exposed skin, and remember to reapply every 2 hours when you're out and about. Sunscreen is your best friend in preventing skin damage and premature aging. Congratulations! You've just completed the Korean glass skin routine. Let's take a moment to recap the journey you've embarked on, highlighting the benefits of each step and the overall impact of this regimen on your skin's health and appearance. First, we introduced the concept of double cleansing. This two-step method, involving an oil-based and a water-based cleanser, ensures a thorough and deep clean, lifting away dirt and grime without irritating or stripping your skin barrier. Next, we discussed the importance of exfoliation in achieving that glass skin glow. By gently removing dead skin cells, you're paving the way for a fresh, radiant complexion. We then moved on to toner, an often misunderstood skincare step. Modern hydrating toners are key to maintaining your skin's pH balance, preparing it to absorb the subsequent treatments more effectively. Then came the sheet mask, a fun and relaxing way to boost hydration, followed by an essence. This often overlooked step plays a crucial role in skin regeneration, enhancing the effects of the treatments that follow. Treating your skin with a serum came next. These highly concentrated solutions target specific skin concerns, providing a tailored approach to skincare. Slathering on a moisturizer was our next step. This is a fundamental part of any skincare routine, sealing in the hydration and nutrients from the previous steps. Applying eye cream, specifically formulated for the delicate skin under your eyes, helps to keep this area supple and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Next, we topped everything off with face oil. This step locks in all the goodness from the previous steps and provides an added layer of nourishment. Finally, we stressed the importance of protecting your skin with SPF during the daytime, a crucial step in preventing premature aging and skin damage. And that's a wrap, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Remember, consistency is key in skincare. Start your journey towards Korean glass skin today and embrace the glow.